Hello again, how are you? I hope you are doing well. And very firstly, I want to give a short introduction of myself. My name is Awais Khalid, and I'm from Pakistan. And I'm a UI UX designer, almost from 4 years. And if I talk about my professional education, I have like masters in computer science as my educational background. And to being very specific with the projects or the previous experience of my projects, I have been working in like multiple industries and design multiple stuff for my clients, including the SaaS products and e-commerce products and like AI products, AI products in mobile application, websites and dashboard and other different stuffs as well. And being more specific, you have asked to have a project for the audio, and I have created a Shopify store. Uh, the store name is Chef Beast, as you can see here. The store name is Chef Beast, and what is the motive of the of my clients to design a store is that they want to sell the musics and the packs of the music from their stores, and it actually they have the vision to develop it on the Shopify from very scratch. So that's why they hired me to design the UI UX design for that store. As you can see, the dashboard screen I have designed for them. That is pretty much basic in terms of user interface and user experience, because they want to have the same feeling that they actually have on their website and the store as well. So that's why they wants to keep the user dashboard very simple. And as you can see, I have also created the user flow for the developer, so I can better explain the interaction of the screen and the functionality of the screen. As you can see here, whenever a user wants to click on a view pack, so that is our single pack. As you may know that each pack will contain multiple musics or multiple library of the musics, as we have in here. The pack name is Ceph, and that pack contains multiple musics, as we have in Shopify stores or sorry, Spotify stores, of any like singer music or a pack. So they also wants to sell their beats, like individual beats or the custom beats according to the user requirements. So whenever a user wants to click on a single pack, it will let the user to the page. So as you can see here, whenever we are going to view a pack, so in first they didn't see any music library inside the pack, or a music listed music in inside the pack. But they can also include their own musics or their own samples. As you can see, we just have the button name sample, and whenever a user wants to click on the sample, add sample, to add add new music library, or to add a single music inside their desired pack, so they can also have a pop-up where they can extract or get their music library from directly from their devices they are actually using. And also we also have included a small feature for our user, so they can also sell their the whole pack or just the music, a single music to other desired people whom actually wanting for the best music out there on the Shopify store. As you can see here, user will enter the sample title and then edit the cost, and then add the samples, and whenever user wants to click on add file, they can add mp3 mp4 like files, and as you can see how store will fetch the data from the actual device, and when user select that music or that music, multiple musics, so they can the pop-up will be represented like this, and here our user has already selected like 3 and plus 2 5 packs, 5 musics to add on a single pack. So when user after adding the musics, the user can click on continue button, and our next pop-up will appear uh, to add the hashtags or the tags to these specifically added musics, and a user can add multiple tags to the specific listing music that he wants to be listed on their stores. So this is the unselected version of the pop-up of for the tags, and as you can see these tags a user selected, and when user click on a specific tag, it will shows in different colors, in bold colors, and after selecting all of the desired tags, the user click on continue button, and the packs the music list of the music inside the pack will appear like this, and on that pack page we have a different flow for the downloading licensings, or the downloading music inside the pack, or downloading a whole pack, and the other flow is for the play and pause functionality. So whenever user wants to play a music, and the hover effect will look like this, and after that whenever user click on a play button, the sound or the specific music will play, and it also be highlighted that we have played our first music from the pack list, or the second music, and as you can see here we have the player as well inside the dashboard, and the same functionality, almost the same functionality like hover functionality for whenever a user has paused the music within the same state. So that is the functionality for play and pause, and if a user wants to download or wants to get the license of the wants to have the license of the music they have seen on listed store or on listed page within the Shopify store, so they can also bought that licensing from that store, and whenever user wants to click on a download button, as you can see here, we also have the download button inside the uploaded list of the music, individually we can have, and I also have presented the hover effect as well. Whenever mouse hover over the icon or the entity, so it may hover for the best presentation of particular feature inside the dashboard, and the pop-up will appear where we have licensing plans for the for the user that are really want to buy our product or buy the licensing of a music they really desired. So the pop-up will appear like this, and we have basic licensing, premium licensing, targeted outs and streams, and unlock the licensing. The unlock the licensing is the most pro version of among these licensing. From unlimited licensing, user can go through multiple features and buy and sell multiple packs, multiple musics. So it is everything inside the unlimited licensing. So they can also request the chef beast, the store owner, or the store creator, that they really wants to make a custom beats within that licensing. So for basic licensing, for example, whenever user wants just a basic licensing, so they click on it, and the click version or the selected version of the licensing will look bluish, because we have to maintain the same aesthetic regarding the color scheme. So it represents the difference between other stuff we have on the same screen, or on the same pop-up. And after that, the add to cart page will appear, look like this, and user can also toggle between the continue shopping and proceed to the checkout. So we have the screens till the checkout pages, and after that, from the same pack dashboards, we have edit functionality or more action functionality. As you can see here, we have the icon of actions, like more actions, and we have the buttons to edit, delete, sort by view, pricing and type, and BMPs. So I have created the small, these are actually in terms of reviewing or previewing. These functionalities are very small, but they really have the major role inside these specific type of dashboard and mobile application, or the website. They are for those targeted audience, for those targeted audience, they are actually love to play music, sell music, and to dive into the music. So that's why these are really meaningful and useful for that audience as well. So I have to create these functionality as well. As you can see, whenever a user click on the more functionality, this small pop-up or a drop down will appear, where user have multiple options like favorite, edit, delete, and these are just like the placeholders updated on 18 May 2023, and the action, this indicates that these are the actions. And for example, if user wants to delete a list, a single music inside the bag list, so he can delete. And I have created the functionality for the delete option. As you can see, whenever user wants to delete a music inside a specific pack, or a library, or an album, whatever you want to say that, so the pop-up will appear. And this is confirmation pop-up for deleting the sample from the pack or from the album. And as you can see, we have here 1 2 3 4 5 musics in a list or in a pack. And when we have deleted one, it would be minus from 5, and the 4 like musics will be appear on our new dashboard and inside the pack. So after that we have edit functionality. So whenever user wants to click he wants to edit any sample or any pack inside the pack dashboard, he can edit that as well. So our my client really need the functionality where user can edit bulks, for example he wants to edit inside a first pack, so he can have the functionality to edit in bulk. For example, he just wants to edit first three musics inside a pack. So whenever he click on the edit button, as you can see here we have the edit button outside, and we have the edit button inside. So if if we are going from this button, that means that our user is going to edit in bulks. For example, we have just five musics in a list, and he wants to edit all of the five. He wants to edit the title, price, and the tag, and like type of the music. So he can just click on the edit button outside this list, and he can now be on a pop-up and can add anything he wants. Even he can change the image of a specific music inside the pack. As you can see, we have three pop-ups, like I have indicated that we have three pop-ups for just for the edit functionality, and user click on the uh, uh, check boxes specifically for the music that he wants to edit in terms of pricing, tags, and the title as well, and the type as well. As you can see here, we just have checked just our first three musics inside the pack or the sample, and here is the editing state of a music. And on next one we can edit the type, or we are going to edit the type from that was, I think, previously the rock. And we can I just have presented the way that how the edit pop-up will look like. So I think that might be on that state here. That is a small glitch. uh, that should not be there, because I have been multiple times throughout the file, and sometime it is really bit messy, but yeah, it is fine now. As you can see here, we have changed the name of first music, and the type of that as well. And we have now added functionality, on second pop-up we can also update the tag, add the tag, remove the tag, and we can play with the tag functionality as well. And we can select more than three tags. As you can see here, we have already selected multiple tags. And in our last pop-up, the third one, as you can see, I'm also uh, like counting my flaws inside in the dashboard. It is just because of you, because you have asked me to make a video on it, so I am going through it and updating it as well. Yeah. The third pop-up will be after adding updating, adding multiple stuff through edit functionality. On third pop-up we have a congratulation card, so our user can enjoy a little bit during that process as well. And when a user wants to click on the continue, it would be updated on like uh, on the main page. And as you can see here, we also have a hover state for just 30-40 seconds or 2 minutes, that these are the recent edits or uploaded to the like dashboard. And here, as you can see here, I forgot to share and present that flow with you, that we have added the three of the samples, as we have selected like our first three samples. And we have updated the like type of each sample. And after that we have updated the type here as well. So okay, so after that yeah here is one more thing from the specific dashboard, is that whenever user wants to like delete the pack, like we have like delete functionality and edit functionality for the bulks. So I have presented you the edit functionality for the bulks, and now it is the delete functionality for the bulks. So whenever user wants to click on that button to delete the bulk, uh, again confirmation pop-up to delete the bulk, like to delete the pop-up as well, sorry, to delete the pack as well from the like whole dashboard. As you can see here, in our like main dashboard we have 4 samples, and we have now we wants to delete that sample. So in our updated dashboard we have just 3 packs. And same here for deleting button for the filter bar, the button will appear like this. Yeah, the button will appear like this. I have created I have created two functionality, one for deleting the whole pack and one for deleting the the bulk. Like we have added in the bulk, and we can delete the bulks, like delete in the bulks inside the pack. And as you can see here, if we go to delete any sample in bulk, as you can see here, user click on delete button, and we have again a pop-up which indicates that which is just also for the confirmation, and we can check the boxes. And currently we have checked 3 mm, like musics music musics from already listed musics. And like we want to lead our like first 3 musics, and we will check and click on continue button. And after that again confirmation pop up for deleting the samples. And if when we click on delete, it may delete from the list as well. Very lastly, second lastly, we have upload more sample functionality. Like whenever user wants to upload more sample, as you can see here, we have upload more sample button. User click on upload more samples, and like we have the page again here, upload sample. Click on the upload sample button, and a pop-up will appear, the same pop-up we have used in our very first screens to upload the samples, upload the sample inside an empty pack. I have used the same pop-up to make more user friendly and user in terms of user interface and user experience. So we can relate with our with this stuff we have created for the dashboard. So that's why I use the same pop-up. And my client also that feature, that we are have this seamless and smooth flow for our users as well. So the same functionality for adding The sample, as you can see here, we are like fetching the data from our devices, and then adding it to the dashboard with the tags, and with the selected tags, and we have we wants to have the type of a music as well. So here is the pop-up for the type, and selected type for the musics. And as you can see here, we have inside the recent uploaded, we as you can see here, we have uploaded three of these samples. And yeah, here we can see that whenever user uploaded some samples, so we have given an authentication button. If a user accidentally or unintentionally uploaded some sample that are not actually required to be uploaded on that pack or on that album, so we have a confirmation, the user can delete unusual samples that are not required to be in a specific sample or in a specific pack. So a user may delete from that area, and after that, when user is confirmed that yeah, these are the exact samples and the musics he wants to upload in a specific pack, so he may click on save button. After that, it will redirect to the all tabs, because we have two tabs on a pack page. So when user uploaded some sample, it will be inside the recent uploaded, and when a user click the save button inside the recent uploaded, it will redirect to all tabs, and also indicate that these are the three samples or the musics that has been recently added to the back dashboard. Now, the last part of this Shopify store and the dashboard is that we have the BMP buttons. If a user wants to modify the BMP, so he can also click on the BMP and modify using the this bar, and click on apply filter, and he can achieve that feature as well. And after that, we are having the type. So for example, he didn't like the hip hop or the sad musics, and wants to filter from multiple types, so he can also have a drop down or a small pop-up for the tab as well, where he can just select the melodious, emotional, lofi rock, or the dark music types, and it will actually work on the tags that we have already given to a specific music or a specific sample. And very lastly, we have the sorting feature, that a user can sort between the music by name, by BMP, by type, and by date as well. So you have requested me to create a video of 1 to 2 minutes, and it is a bit longer than your required time, and I really apologize for that as well. But to give you a all overview of my recent experience with the same with the same niche you have asked me, and I it's my duty, and I really feel honored to present the full-fledged version of my creativity and my design as well. And I also have one more thing here to present you, that I also have designed the home page and the collection page and the product page with the add to cart functionality, download licensing functionalities as well. As you can see here, these are the home page and the product page and the individual sample pages as well. As it is already very long video. Yeah, and I have multiple expertise with like other industries, as I am almost been 4 years in the UI UX design field. As you can see, that is the website I have designed for the insurance company, and I'm still working on the project with the client, and like I have achieved till the services page, about us page, home page, and I'm also parallelly designing the mobile version, which is like requested by my client. As you can see here, that is the real estate project, and it is about putting the green installation like turfs, like the greenery outside, inside the garden, outside the house, and inside the lawn as well. And the other page I have designed for a software solution company. As you can see here, I'm not taking lots of time because I already have uh, yeah burned lots of time on other on presenting the dashboard. And this is for the like mobile version for an AI application, where a user can create a AI chat and to automate their process with multiple things, in terms of chatting, in terms of uploading, uploading the blog, or like doing research as well. As you can see here, I have created a flow for the input message that is connected with the chat GPT, and user can add the prompt, add the instruction, and output will appear, and they may publish on their website or on their blogging website as well. And these are the other chat interface and explore page forms, like fully AI driven project, that is my recent achievement, that is the same landing page. And this is the AI agency website, or a landing page that I have recently created. It was actually software solution company, and they have to transform their website into an fully fledged AI website, and I have created their design and presented it to my client, and they are really happy with the results, as you can see here. And this is the contact us form, or leave a message, and this is the footer. Actually, these color schemes are preferred by the client, and some of the addition from my side as well, as you can see, the grains inside the footer to like excel some of the pop in terms of colors, or in terms of like gradient, and so that's why. Lastly, I have created a dashboard, so actually an AI dashboard for a company. You can search it, the name of the company is Juice AI, and I have created a dashboard. It is the most recent project that I have been worked on, and I have to create a dashboard for them. And the niche of them, Juice AI, is to automate the SEO, to make a dashboard that presents that how many posts are on their website, and it is actually like a combination of like e-commerce and the AI, and user because today's user really wants to do lots of research on their product, and after that, like if we take an example of a blogging website, user wants to take care of lots of things, that in terms of content, in terms of SEO, like in terms of searching the on page, off page SEO, and like local SEO, and if I go more specific, user also try to get short tail or long tail keywords, and this is the website that is actually I can see that is the website, that is the dashboard of the Juice AI website. So this company is actually looking to solve this problem for the user. They really want to excel their business in inside the SEO, blogging, and the content writing stuff as well. As you can see, these are the red lines. You can see these are actually used feature of a Figma to align the stuff, to make alignments between the section that are really separated or apart from each other. So that's why you can see the lines here in Figma, and that also indicates the expertise from me as a UI UX designer with a specific tool. And yeah, I have my apologies again. I have took lots of your time and the resources as well, and I think you have to play my video at 3 to 4x speed, and to achieve to save your time, and to preview my expertise as well. And I really appreciate that, and I'll be looking forward to hearing from you. And thank you so much for being with me, and uh, like spending your precious time with me. And yeah, my apologies again, and thank you so much.